Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone. And it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone. And that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. We want you to experience the best service possible. And at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.